Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's time to spin the DIY wheel again. And I'm very excited because last time I had some very fun DIYs. And I'm very curious what the wheel is going to give me this time. So let's spin it. So here you can see my DIY wheel again. And I added some rope, and that's some kind of macrame rope, and wooden discs that I have, little small ones. So maybe that will be fun for a DIY too. So for the rules with the DIY wheel is that I can only use what the wheel gives me. So I can do 2 spins and 3 if I don't know what to do with the other 2. And I can always use glue and paint, but otherwise only what the wheel gives me. So give it the first spin now. And the first one, oh, okay, it's the reed mat. Yeah, that's going to be fun. I have to write this down. Second spin. And a wooden disc, okay. I think I need a third spin. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to give it a third spin because I don't know yet what I can do with it. Curtain rings, okay. Oh my god. Now for this first DIY, I'm going to make something out of a reed mat, wooden discs and curtain rings. Okay, so my idea for this DIY is that I am going to use these curtain rings and I am gluing them on a part of the reed mat, and then I'm going to cut that out so that the reed is only in the middle here, and then I am going to use the curtain rings and glue them around this wooden disc. And I think I would use it to put a candle in the middle, but maybe you can do other things with it. But first I'm just going to start with this DIY. And we're back, so we're giving the wheel another spin for the next DIY. Ooh, okay, bamboo boats. The next one. Again, reed mat. Okay. Now I can leave it at this, but I think with this one I also want another spin. Give me something good. Skewers. I'm doing this to myself, that's the funniest part of this all. For the next DIY I am going to make something out of a bamboo boat, a reed mat and skewers. This was a tricky one. I thought about this for a very long time. So you know when you planted some different seeds and you want to know which seed is going to be what, if it's going to be a tomato plant or something else. I'm going to make the little cards that you can put in the mud next to it. Now it's really hard to explain how I am going to make this DIY with these 3 materials. So I'm just going to show you. And we're back for the last time to spin the DIY wheel. I really hope this time I get something easier, but I don't think so. Let's see. Okay, so wooden beads. That's always a good one. And what I'm going to use with the wooden beads is curtain rings. Okay, so I'm going to give it one more spin. So together with the wooden beads and the curtain rings, I am going to use IKEA rings. Okay, so for this last DIY, I am going to use wooden beads, curtain rings and IKEA rings. So this is going to be a tricky one to explain. But I am going to start with this IKEA ring. Can you see it? No. And then I'm going to glue a lot of wooden beads on here. And then in the middle I will glue this ring down, then again wooden beads, then again IKEA ring. And then you will get some kind of frosting. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked this new Spin the DIY wheel video. And if you liked it, please push the like button and you can also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. And I will see you next time. And we're back for the second DIY spin wheel thing. Okay, so for this last DIY. So now what I'm going to make is very hard to explain.